Good morning. Welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction. Before that, I would like to review the yesterday's market. Yesterday data, the closing number was in between the flat. Flat bullish and the bullish range. These two range from this particular bullish data and this flat bullish data, those two average only. The Nifty has closed 17,722.30. If we take these two averages, it gives you close to the number. Take those two average, it gives the closing number. So once again, the combinations of the matching numbers are perfectly there because we expected somewhere in the range of this particular average. Uh, Here it will close, but it has closed a little higher from that particular level, so we can able to get that these two averages it has closed. So once again we are tracking those numbers. In the future we may get very good results out of it. So watch for these predictions as well. So let's go to the today's data. And yesterday's data, I would like to point out one more thing, which is there is no new target as well because of the pre-opening itself. It has well above the pivot level, so that it has closed in the good number 98 points. So the lower side, which is 17,655, so in the 17,661 minus 10 points, it has matched perfectly, so there is no new target as well. And as we expected 80% a target here, that is where the I also went plus 3, minus 3 point perfect range it has reached, because normally we used to keep stop loss plus 10 points and minus 3 point perfect range. So inside the minus 3 point perfect range it is reached, so there is no new target as well. As we said, our target of 80% a target which has reached 0.07% close to that particular level. So yesterday it has worked exactly as per our prediction. So let's go to the today's data. The data what it shows, once again we have one bearish warning signal with all four indicators are bullish, so that as per the one bearish warning rule, it will go fake downfall initially, then later it will strong bullish happens. So this is the method which we are following. But recent times what happens is, after a fall it is tried to recover, but somehow it is not able to go bullish because of the pivot level it is falling down. So we need to watch out the pivot level whether it is breaking or not. Sometimes what happens is initial fall, then once again small fall, then after that it is going towards bullish, but instead of going extreme bullish, it is going some decent number, then fall down once again to flat finish. So these kind of patterns are happening, but most of the time, 80% of the time, a fake fall and goes extreme bullish. So one call option, uh, you need to keep it as a hero zero buying on dip method. So as per one bearish warning rule, you must have to keep small 10 points also fine. Up to your risk appetite, you can take any hero zero in the call option side, but minimum 10 points, 500 rupees risk is fine to take for all small and safe traders as well. Risk traders, you can take a risk up according to your risk appetite. So one call option must have to buy on dip method, because if it is goes down and then recovers, means it might recover to 17,814 level to some extended. We have a positive side range which is 1.17. Once again, we have 80% target here at 17,830 range. So for this 80% target to reach, pre-opening must have to be in the positive. Pre-opening must have to be in the positive, so that you must, if it is opens like that, then we can keep one call option as a 0 0 pre-open. So if pre-open happening in the positive means 80% of the time this target's getting hit. Only failure ratio is there around 20%. So you can take one minimum 10 points C as a call option as a 0 0. Small and safe traders buy bet these kind of 10 points minimum at least today. And high risk traders you can take 0 0 according to your risk appetite if it is happens like that. But if pre-opening is in the minus, then pre-opening is in the negative means what happens is the chances of hitting this particular level will become shrinking from 80% to 50%. So 50-50 chances, sometimes it will fail as well. So pre-opening is in the negative means the risk involvement to hit this level is little high. But if pre-opening is in the positive means one call option you can bet very confidently, so it has potential to reach 80% of the time. And the other data, anything above the volatile level 1, which is 128 points above 17.52%, sorry, 17,752.71, uh, anything above this level pre-opening means Nifty is in the bullish zone 0.73%. So that you watch out that 17,752.71. Anything above this level Nifty is in the bullish zone. If it is happens, you can buy one call option extra as a 0 0. And anything below the volatile level 0.02, 3.52, 17,627.57 below, which is Nifty is in the bearish zone. So one put option you can buy if pre-opening is below this level as a 0 0. Anything pre-opening in between those volatile level 1 and volatile level 2, if pre-opening is in between those two levels, then you can buy edging method because it is in the volatile zone. So Nifty has potential to go volatile as well. And volatile stop loss for the bullish is at this level minus 10 points plus 3 point perfect range. So the low is not able to break this particular level minus 10 points, 17,617.57. The Nifty has potential to go bullish towards to any level. So bullish traders must have to keep this particular level as a stop loss. If it is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to go extreme bullish. Watch out that particular level as well for the volatile stop loss for the bullish, and volatile stop loss for the bearish. This particular level plus 10 points minus 3 point perfect range. So 17,766. So 17,766.23. High is not able to break. So if it is happens like that, Nifty is having potential to fall down heavily towards any level, even negative average below that level. So these levels you need to watch out for the bearish status. If it is not breaking, Nifty has potential to fall down. But still today it can go up to 1.17. So cautiously play. Edging method is advisable because it might keep from 1 or 2 minutes high perfectly, then small fall down, then later what happens is it will go higher from here towards to break every levels every now and then it can break towards to positive average. So that kind of a risk involved, so play cautiously as well. So that is the reason we are asking to go for hedging method is advisable if it is opens in between the volatile range. If pre-opening is in between volatile range, hedging method is advisable like 120 in the call option side and put option 80 points. Why? Because in one bearish warning rule it will fall down then goes strong bullish. If it is happens like that, uh, you can able to get minimum profit 1000 rupees intraday to 3000 rupees easily. So you can wait this combination uh, to get profit intraday itself, or else you can wait till F&O closing or 3 p.m. minimum you can wait in this kind of combination. If it is not happens, it will fall down and go down also in the wrong way as expected against. If it is goes also, this combination will protect you from the loss making in the call option. This put option will try to recover your losses and minimize your losses. So this combination will help you to protect your money. So play with this kind of combinations today for the safe way to play. And the other rule, which is that if the support level 1 and resistance level 1 rule, which is if pre-opening is in the positive and not breaking the support level 1, which is too flat. So 17,622, which is too flat. So that minus 10 point stop loss and plus 3 point perfect range. So low is not breaking 17,622.29 and pre-opening is in the positive. The Nifty has potential to go extreme bullish to any level, even 400, 500 points also possible today. It has potential to go level. These are all the things which it is not certain, but it has potential to go. So play safe. And the resistance level 1 rule, which is if pre-opening is in the negative, pre-open is in the negative and not able to break high with this particular level plus 10 points stop loss minus 3.55 grand meeting means 17,662.25. High is not able to break. The Nifty is having potential to fall down heavily. So these conditions are matching means you can bet one put option as a hero zero. So watch out those levels. But today you must have to go with the edging method or one minimum hero zero in the call option side is advisable because it has potential to go up to minimum 206 or from there to resistance level 11 which is 18,118 also possible. So strong bullish might happen, but only the problem is if pre-opening is in the flat positive range, anything 0 point, I mean positive to 30 points. If it is opens and not able to break a lower side from the previous closing level, then it might go towards strong bullish towards any level as said. But the concern is we need to watch out the pivot level because anything below the pivot level Nifty will always try to go down, so the struggle will be there. Once if it is breaking the pivot levels, then the strong bullish might happen. But another concern, we need to watch out the volatile stop loss for the bearish as well. So we need to focus on those levels. If it is struggling, then Nifty might not go as expected bullish. It will fall down from certain level, but still after a small fall down, it might go once again towards the bullish. So 17,731 to 17,756, these levels if it is struggling, then we need to play cautiously because it might fall down from here or it might recover and strong bullish also go. So play cautiously on these notes as well. And the par value rule which shows that anything below pre-opening this particular level, Nifty will try to come down, but the par value itself having good number around 545 points. So which means if it is opens below that level, it will try to come down, but still even the par value itself having good number, it means Nifty, if it is going towards the par value, it will still shows very good number around 3%. So that is the reason we are asking to keep small hero zero as a call option, but hedging method you must have to go 80 in the put option side and 120 in the call option side. 120 in the call option side. So this combination will help you, because if it is goes bullish like up to the par value around 549, 545 range around 3%, then this 120 will go big profit. This 80 will go somewhere around 20. So the 60 points loss will be recovered here. It will go more than 240 to 300, uh, or even beyond that level. So if it is goes up to par value like bullish, but if it is going towards to the bearish side struggling, means the losses from this 120 will recover. This 80 might go to 160 or 200. So this 120 will go to some 20 to 30. So which means it will easily protect your money, because all total you are investing 200 points, and if it is goes like that 190 to 230 it will go. So which means it will recover your losses and make some small profit. So this combination is advisable to go if you want to play safe trade. And the other data which shows anything below 18,088 Nifty will always struggle, but this still it is showing some good numbers on the positive closing to 232 and flat negative. So these are all the chances to happen like that it is showing. So play safe. And the other data, and the data which we are following recently, so even the flat bullish itself having good numbers comparing with the flat bearish. So once again you can bet, that is the reason we are asking to keep one small call option as a hero zero, because the flat bullish itself showing 157 to 172 points, which is a good number, and flat bearish is showing flat positive closing. So one call option you must have to keep it as a hero zero today, because if it is goes flat bullish itself good number, if it is goes bullish it is around 258 to 316. So that if it is goes bullish we might see some good numbers on the positive direction. So anything above pivot level around 17,681 as per the closing numbers. So if it is trading today above this 17,689, Nifty can see good closing today 164 to 87 or even 541. So one call option you can bet. If it is fails, you can keep stop loss in the range of somewhere around 17,565, 17,580 ranges, or 17,573 ranges. You can keep stop loss, or in the flat itself you can keep stop loss, which is in the range of 17 629 or 17,630 or 17,600 level. So you can keep stop loss and go for a bullish. That is what the data is showing. Once if it is breaking bearish level, which is 17,650 around 60 points or below, then only the strong bearish will take control. Until the Nifty is in the strong bullish. So watch out the levels which is 17,600 range, 17,550 range. If these two levels is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to go some strong bullish today. If anything above 17,710, which is strong bullish closing is possible. If it is struggling here, it might stay in the flat finish or negative finish in the small way. So watch out this 17,710, whether it is breaking strongly, then the strong bullish will go. But today you must have to go with one small call option, because of the one bearish indicators of fake downfall. Then after a strong bullish this pattern always happens, so one call option must have to keep today. And the summary data which shows we have four indication bullish and one bearish warning signal. So we, as per one bearish warning signal, fake downfall and then go bullish, strong bullish 80% of the time. So must keep call options. So one call option must have to keep there, and 80% target is also we have in the positive side, which is 17,830. So if reopening is in the positive, then 80% chances to hit this particular level. So call option small hero zero must have to keep if it is pre-opening in the positive. But if pre-opening is in the negative, then chances might diminish to 50-50, or even sometimes it may fail as well. So watch out the pre-opening closely. And we are focusing 17,814 today, but still we have downside target still in hand. So small 5 point put option, always keep it in hand in the put option side. Even if this goes to zero, that is fine. If unexpected extreme beat is happening, go towards to 16,927, then this 5 points will also give you protection as well. And the positive average we have 250, negative average we are having a 174. So that 400 points is there from both sides. So you must have to play with the hedging method, safe method, which is 120 points in the call option and 80 points in the put option. This combination will help you because we have positive average little higher and negative average little lower, but still we have one bearish warning rule, so fake downfall after that strong bullish. So this will help you today in this combination if you want to play safe. And we have a CPR, which is flat CPR. One CPR is showing bullish as well. So flat CPR rule, Nifty might go extreme bullish and Nifty might go extreme bearish as well. So we may not know at this point of time, but it has still irrespective of the side, it will go trending day as per flat bullish. I mean flat CPR. So you can do another method also. If pre-opening is in between 0 to plus 30, if pre-opening is like that, um, pre-opening is like that in the flat. So if 17,730 like that, if it is pre-opens, means this method also you can buy 200 points gap to 250 points gap. You can buy combinations. For example, 200 to 250 means 100 points higher put option. 100 points higher means from this particular level you need to buy 100 points higher, which means 17,850 put option you need to buy one combination, and 100 points lower call option, which is 17,650 or 600. Why I'm going for 600? Because we need to buy call option set little higher. So 17,600 call option. These two combinations, so the 17,850 put option and 17,600 call option is also advisable to go today, because if it is goes extreme bullish, you will get some decent profit from 1,000 rupees to 3,000 easily today if you take this combination. If it is, the condition must have to be in the flat opening around 0 to 30, it will go bullish. If it is open like that 0 to 30, you can keep one call option as a hero zero as well, up to your risk appetite. I am asking to buy 110 points minimum. For small and safe traders, you can buy any level call option hero zero as well. If you're high risk trader, you can buy 50 points, 100 points, you can buy, but it has to be treated as a hero zero, because if it is a opens flat 30 points in between, means it has potential to go extreme bullish as well. So one hero zero you can bet. And the conclusion is we have one bearish warning rule, which is a fake downfall will happen, then after strong bullish will go. So one call option must have to keep in hand. And the method, this is the normal method, call option side 120 and put option side 80 points combination. You can buy and exit 1,000 rupees profit to 3,000 rupees profit as a safe exit intraday itself. If it is not giving profit, you can wait till 3 p.m. or F&O closing. Let's see how the market is going to give us on today. Thank you.